Okay, here we go. Gonna go ahead and lay some epoxy. Got it mixed up right there. Go ahead and get this finished up, get my epoxy down. Seam seal, I'm gonna go ahead and get all my seam seal after I epoxy it in. And come back and do some more priming. Get it all primed up and be done with it. I done scuffed all the bottom up. I'll go ahead and epoxy all that in too, all the way around. Then I'll put a good coat, undercoat under there for now. Go ahead and get this sealed on up. Get this bottom end done. Protected anyway. Then I get started on that door. Go ahead and get the outside door. Protect all this metal, the bottom and the back side. So here we go. Gonna lay some epoxy. Alright, here we go. Primed in, seam sealed up, sanded down to 320. Nothing special. We can take a scratch or two. It ain't no professional paint job or nothing. We're gonna put on there. Here's what we got, some single stage blue. We'll go ahead and catch the door after this. Alright, let's get to spraying some blue. Here we go. Okay, there we go. All painted up. Got it in some blue. Close enough to matching. It ain't perfect, no way. Of course, I got two different blues here anyway, so that's what we're looking at. I went on and used a single stage. Had it mixed up right there. I went on and used some of this sandable primer, that rust look. I put it up on top of my 3 coats of epoxy first. Then I just come back and kind of scuffed it up a little bit after the blue. I think I started with some 600 or 800 and worked around 1000, 1500. But I done all my body work, seam sealed, so yeah, it's all sealed up. So I'm going to leave that at that. And go ahead and start on the other side, rocker, cab corner, and floor pan while I'm still fresh on it before I hit this door. Yeah, it's scarred up, scratched up a little bit. It's fine. I also painted the inside white. Had a little white left over from something else I used a while back. I don't know what I'm going to do with the inside yet. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get it all painted white. I'm going to go ahead and do all that later on. But alright, I got to move on. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Got to change of plans here. I'm going to go ahead and do the body work on the door while I patch the 2 corner pieces in. Go ahead and take care of that while I'm on this side of the truck. Right here, I've done the inside too, lower door patch. You can see right there where I welded it up and done a little body work on it, or hammer and dolly. So got to do some body filler there all the way around. Go ahead and seam seal everything up, throw some kind of paint on there and be done with that. Of course, epoxy it all in real good. Bottom end. Yeah, you can see we're like right in here. I got to put some body filler on that and smooth all this out. Epoxy it in, get it painted up, and be done with this side. Then I'll move to the other side. Like right over here on top of the windshield, where I cut this piece right here, I believe. There's a patch here that I put in back in the summertime. I got to get all this fixed up, seam sealed in, be done with this side. Then we'll move to the other side. Alright, I got to get the garage cleaned out and everything, and take the door back off. Here we go. Alright, after doing all the body work, paint, scuffed it up, make it match the rest of the truck. That's what we're looking at. Went all through here. This is where I patched it at right here. Went all the way around to the other end. Got all that done. Matches pretty close. It ain't nothing perfect. I ain't gonna paint the truck. I'm just trying to protect all the fresh metal I'm putting on it, the rust repair. Pretty much make it look like the rest of it. We'll see what happens after I get it put together. That's all the molding off my 63, my red pickup. I had all that left over. So that's what we're looking at. There's the rockers. Done the same thing. I seam sealed everything too. Everything's seam sealed in real tight. Bottom of the door, got it all seam sealed. Painted back some kind of white. Mashed in pretty good. So I figure out what I'm gonna do at the inside, then I might come back and do the doors again. Yeah, all this is seam sealed up real good all through here. Seam sealed everything I put in back new. Like I said, come back and done a little scuff on it. Don't hurt nothing. Looks good. Like I said, I went all the way around here. Done the same thing over here. I still got to do my rockers and my cab corner on this side. And of course the door. That's what I'm going to be hitting next. So there we go. I want y'all to check out my new channel right here. Gibson Framing. It's going to be me framing houses, garages, additions, whatever I'm doing that day or that week. So go check that channel out. Subscribe. Do whatever you got to do. And I'm going to leave it at that. See y'all on the next one. Take it easy.